Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, good morning, everybody. We have here some of that stuff, and underneath there are some rubber molds that I, of course, don't want to show you till they're made into silver, and kind of a found table. We've got that box of goodies back there to go through yet, and the vacuum pump and chamber. So we're going to mix up some plaster of Paris and pour it in the molds. I haven't played with this stuff since I was about 11 or 12 years old, so today is definitely going to be a learning curve. I built all of this and was given the pump, little vacuum pump there, from a friend. It was off a heart-lung machine at our local hospital that was taken out of service, but it works very, very well. So let's see if I can set up while we're doing some mixing and maybe show, if we can, what's happening inside the vacuum chamber when we use it to degas the plaster. Take all the bubbles out. We'll see you soon. And yeah, it should be kind of interesting. There we go. What do you think, Sophie? Are you here just conveniently underfoot? I know. I know. What's the dad doing? Yeah, I know, I'm up by your treats. Okay. We'll lay that across there. And, yeah, I don't know if you can see it already, how much flex there is with that. This is Lexan. They use it in feller buncher windows and things. See, we're up to 17 pounds right now. Inches. Really interesting. I don't know if that really shows. Yeah, here we go. That's how much it pulls that stuff down. This stuff is ballistic. I mean, it will save an operator with a full log hitting the front of his machine. Now, we're at altitude here, so 28 inches is perfect. So anything over 20 in my world is really good. So I'm going to close the valve right now. And do you want to turn the pump off, Terry? We're going to come back in a moment or two. I've got the rubber molds are now getting treated. And we'll see how this thing holds vacuum over time. Okay, folks, I haven't played with this stuff since I was 11 years old, so here we go. 1 cup of plaster, 1 cup of water. Oh yeah, it's gonna be very milky, that's for sure. So now we mix and mix and mix and mix. and mix some more. Okay, we got the goo mixed up. Terry's all set up here. Have a look inside. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put this in there and off gas it. Got a couple little wetness marks there, and yeah, it's all locked in. There it is. We let it sit for a few more minutes. I've lost maybe a half a pound or half an inch of vacuum. So here comes the valve, and down it goes. And unfortunately, I can't let you see the molds being filled, because then you will know what I'm up to. So here we go. We'll see you when they're done. Okay folks, this is what I'm up to. I got these guys and some wings. Out of a whole bunch of them, these are all that turned out. But, you know, learning how to make all this happen, I think the wings will work out great. One thing I am doing with these is giving them a coat of crazy glue, so that, you know, it'll toughen them up, especially for these real thin pieces. So you'll see these in upcoming pours, and they will soon be available on my site and the Canadian Silver Saver site. So, okay, that's where I'm at. Haha, woohoo! Here we go. Zoom. Bye now.